Permacon presents a short animation on the use of Podia step when installing stairs with landing. Excavate desired area at least 12 inches deep. The excavated area should always be 6 inches wider than the final dimension of your project. Spread 10 inches of crushed stone, then level and compact. Install the first row of Podia steps. The modules should sit 1 to 2 inches below grade to help prevent shifting. Apply beads of concrete adhesive in several places under each block. Install the Jasper wall blocks. Fill space between blocks with clean stone. Apply beads of concrete adhesive under all blocks. Install the Podia steps. Apply beads of concrete adhesive. Repeat previous steps. Your project using Podia steps is now complete. To realize this project, you will need the following products. Visit permacon.ca to consult our detailed installation guide.